Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So today we will start the video with technical analysis on Nifty. We will also try to do Bank Nifty. We will learn more about support and resistance levels, and I will also tell you about my new setup which I am going to show you on the chart. So let's get started. We will use the TradingView app. Okay, so this is the TradingView app, and we are going to load a recent setup. Just pivot points. Let me open a fresh scanner and fresh chart. Super charts it's called. See, as you can see, I always have pivot points, traditional charts, but here today I am going to discard the pivot points, and we will going to find an indicator which is VWAP and VWAP. Okay, so this is a combination of VWAP, MVWAP, plus it has a combination of CPR. So what we do first is we'll change this color to white. Okay, so the white line is about CPR. So let's make the settings clear. I don't want such heavy lines on my chart. I want to keep it very simple. Let's keep it minimum thickness. Okay, let's see how it looks. So this is our CPR, central pivot range. Okay, and then these are our support and resistance levels, and this will work on whatever time frame you want to put. If I go to a weekly time frame, see how it changes. It will show me the weekly pivots on this. So let's go to a 5-minute time frame and understand what happened on Friday. So Friday the market closed here, but there is a gap down, and after the gap down, okay, so the CPR was here. It opened away. First candle, second candle, 5 minutes candle, third 5 minutes candle, fourth 5 minutes candle. Okay, if you see this on a 15-minute time frame, which I think I have shown you in the shorts video which I made. So if you see, this is your first candle and this is your second candle. Now the second candle was actually taking a bounce from this support level, and this is also a 200 period moving average. If I plot 200 period moving average, you'll be able to see this is a 200 period moving average on 15 minutes time frame. So here location was important, and then the pattern, which is bullish 180. So this candle is completely taken out by a green candle at a support level. So here I shorted puts after this cross, and I was able to capture good profit till here, and I exited. Later the market was sideways whole day. So this was our analysis on Friday and how we have taken the trade. So if you really want to use this on intraday time frame, you have to actually look at this central pivot range. Let's change the color for this so that it's more visible and standing out. So this I will try to make it a yellow color, and I don't want to put that. See? So I'll put a yellow line. Then I have to see where is it. Okay. So this one I will change it to green. This also line. This one also I'll make it to a little different color, and this will also I'll make it a line. So this becomes our CPR. So what you need to do is, when you see a CPR which is narrow, then expect a trending day. And when you see a CPR which is wide, you can expect a sideways day. So here our CPR was narrow and it opened way away from the CPR, and this was the candle where it was above the VWAP. And whenever you get an entry above the VWAP from a support, then you can go ahead and take an entry. If you see, this has also given you a long entry here on this candle, but here our entry was at the VWAP level. Okay, so now let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also same thing. It was holding the VWAP immediately, and then it was holding at the central pivot range for quite some time. Later, this range breakout was your entry on the super trend. So after this, immediately you started making money. But till here, you had to struggle because this goes up and down, and this is in the sideways zone. So making money will be difficult here. But yes, if you are holding with a small quantity, it doesn't matter. You can hold the entire move which is available. Okay, so that's on our setup. Let's see what is it on a weekly time frame. We are getting an entry in any stock today. So let's go to weekly super trend. I want to go with most of the stocks are green because market is bullish. It is bullish. So that is the reason we are able to see so many stocks which are appearing. So now here, interesting. What we can do is, so we have multiple stocks which are appearing in this list. So let's look at OI data also and see which is a better stock for us to take an entry. So let's see OI change greater than 10%. So greater than 10%, we have these many stocks. Now I want to see if I want to do a buy, then I have to see which are the stocks that are having greater than 2% price change, OI change 10%. So two are qualifying, Delta Corp and Glenmark. So do we have Delta Corp and Glenmark in this list? No, we don't have. So let's check Delta Corp and Glenmark. So this is Delta Corp chart. Let's look at a weekly chart. So after this nice fall, the stock is in consolidation, and this level is very critical for us. So this is the level. It has to clear, but it is showing a good sign, and this is also an indication that it is not making a lower low. So the trend is up, and these are weekly candles, so the weekly candles are powerful, but we would wait for this level to be broken. Only then this W pattern will be completed. So you can see this is one leg, this is the center point neckline and the second low, and this is, if it breaks this neckline, this is a W pattern, only then you can take an entry here. So that is about Delta Corp. And then Glenmark, let's look at Glenmark. So Glenmark is added now. Oh, what a move, what a move on Glenmark. It is looking absolutely stunning the way it is going up. Although the volumes are not that great, but there is a news here. India's Glenmark licenses Q4 profit source 48% in API port. So there's a very good sign. It has given a good entry here, and in any retracement you can buy Glenmark, and this is the next level of resistance here. Okay, so this is a level. If you buy anywhere here upon retracement, this level 568.7, if it retraces to this level, we can take an entry, otherwise the target will be here. So if it goes completely like this, see, this was also a W pattern and it has entered into an. So these two stocks, keep a watch, and let's check this on a monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, it is giving an entry, and this is the same line which we have drawn right now. So monthly resistance is also here. So very soon it can reach up to this levels and break this. On a monthly time frame, you can see this as a W pattern, and this is the neckline. If this neckline breaks, then Glenmark can go high. So these two stocks, which you can invest 25% in these two stocks, Glenmark and Delta Corp, and wait for these things to confirm entry. But short, even the OI is saying that, and the way the big candles are forming in here, it shows an entry. So these are good stocks for investment for this week. I hope you like this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video and next week. Thank you so much for watching.